Okay, so I just spent the night at Tencreek here on top of the hills of West Looe, and it was a thoroughly enjoyable stay. I think the sunshine makes everything that much more enjoyable. Everything seems so much nicer when the sun is out and the skies are blue. Anyway, I'm walking back down to the coastline, and I'm going to continue my little hike, another 3 or 4 miles today, around the coastline from West Looe, or the hills of West Looe, down around to Polperro, where I have a very important date. I'm going to get some fish and chips with Lucy, who's picking me up in the green van. So that's the plan. Here as well. So this is called Talland, I believe. Tiny little hamlet. Looks like there's some holiday resorts here. And the parish church of St. Talland. We're now in the diocese of Truro as well, so we've moved. Let's have a look. Absolutely blessed of this weather. It's another gorgeous day, blue skies, some clouds, and we're probably approaching 18 degrees again, so good walking weather. Anyway, this is the church at Talland, and what an interesting little place it is. I couldn't see any dates though to see how old it was, so but I suspect this is 500, 600 years old at least, this church, so pretty old. It looks steep. Well, there's so steep hills. Fabulous. Yeah, no one's going in that garden. I expect I got a bit of a suntan as well over the last 2 days walking, which is good. And vitamin D, and my immunity's probably been boosted, especially after being sick a week ago, not very well. So there's the other entrance to the garden. I'm approaching Polperro, so I would have walked about 16 miles in the last 2 days. Plus I'm going to be walking around Polperro in a minute to film. Lucy's going to be joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. People often say, oh Darren, why do you do these videos? Because I don't make any money on them. You know, I don't get any sort of massive recognition. I know some people say they love my videos. It's become a bit of a habit now and a bit of a hobby. So long that may that continue. And also, when the weather's like this, and you get out in the country air, and you say hello to people, and you just film nice things and video and take photos of nice things, your mind is freed up. You forget about everything. I've barely been on Twitter, and so that's why I do it. And I say the same sort of thing every time I come on one of these journeys. I'm also preparing for the 2 Moors Way, which I plan to do in about 6 to 8 weeks time. I haven't set a date yet, and the only thing I've got to work on this year before any walking challenges is my fitness. My back's much better. We've had physio treatment, which is almost complete. I'm taking some herbs and remedies for it. I've got all the kit. It's just deciding which bit to take. I understand the importance of going lightweight, and so now it's just the fitness. And so these walks, as much as I enjoy making the videos and the films and sticking them on social media, trying to get clicks and all the rest of it, I am also got a goal in mind, and that's doing Devon north to south, 100 miles, or as well 88, 90 miles from Ivy Bridge. So that's the ambition. What time is it? 10 past 12. So I've done 4 additional miles this morning, and I'm going to leave it there because the mistake I made last time is I was so focused on the kit that I didn't focus on my health and my fitness and my bad back, and I really smashed it hard, thinking, you know, I could do 10 miles every day prior to doing a massive walking challenge, which was the length of the country, which is probably one of the reasons why I failed. You know, I knackered myself out before I even started. So I've decided against doing an additional 10 miles today, even though I feel good, simply because it's a marathon, not a sprint. West Looe, on the top of the hill of West Looe at Tencreek Holiday Park, along the coast path, about 3.5 miles. It's a real nice, easy walk all the way to Polperro, which is where I am now. And I'm just going to come in here, chill out, have something to drink, wait for Lucy, and then I'm going to record another video, which will be of Polperro. So if it's not out yet on YouTube, it will be in the next few days. So go and check it out. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. Cheers.